In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on Wise app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can exchange money confidently using your mobile device. Make sure you've got a stable internet connection and that your Wise app is up to date so everything looks and works as expected. First, go to the Wise app on your mobile. Open it just like any other app on your phone. If you use a passcode or biometrics, unlock it as usual. Once you're in, you should land on the main screen where your balances and recent activity are visible. If you don't see balances right away, look for the accounts or balances area at the bottom or top of the screen. Interface labels can vary slightly depending on your app version. Next, select your account balance and tap it. This is where Wise shows the different currencies you hold, such as dollars, euros, or pounds. Tap the balance you want to convert from. For example, if you're holding dollars and want euros, tap the dollar balance. You'll typically see your available amount, and if there are any holds or pending card payments, the available figure will reflect that. If you don't have enough in that balance for the conversion you have in mind, the app will indicate it. It's a good moment to double check the currency code as well, especially if some currencies share similar names. Now tap Convert or Move. Convert is the straightforward option when you want to exchange one currency into another within your Wise account. Move is helpful if you're reorganizing money between balances or saving jars and might include a conversion as part of that move. After tapping, you'll see a screen where you can choose the currency you're converting from and to, enter the amount, and review the exchange rate and fees. Wise usually shows the mid-market rate and a transparent fee breakdown, so take a second to review those details. Rates can change throughout the day, and you may notice a guaranteed rate window that tells you how long that rate is locked in. If your goal is to receive a specific amount in the target currency, you can set that as the amount and let the app calculate what needs to be taken from your original balance. That's it. You've navigated to the Wise app, opened your balance, and tapped Convert or Move to set up the exchange. Keep an eye on the rate and the fee preview, and you'll have a smooth, informed experience converting currency on Wise.